At VENDLET, we are particularly focused on the handling procedures of patients in bed. We operate with the only electric turn sheet in the world, a turn sheet which makes the procedure for the staff as efficient as possible, but at the same time very comfortable for the patients. VENDLET is operated by a hand control. You have a blue side, which is the left side of the patient, and you have a red side, which would be the right-hand side of the patient. At the same time, you have a control unit, you have a red stop button, which is activated before you can use it, and then you have a timer button, a green button, which is activated and leaves you with 90 seconds of operation time. In order to work with the VENDLET system, I need to put the rollers up at the side. This is done at the HC2 manually. I lift them up and put them in place on both sides. As you can see, you now have the blue side on the left side and you have the red side on the right hand side. I then activate the stop button and pull the green button as well for the timer. I now have these 90 seconds operation time, and I will pull the red button in order to turn the patient to his left side in this case. I prepare the patient while the system is operating, putting the arm up here to the side in order to make the turning procedure comfortable, and I take the leg when I can do a parallel shift. I will then make the cushion a little more comfortable for the patient, and in this situation I would then pull the patient further in to the bed. I'd slacken the sheets with the other button on both sides, and in this situation then I have positioned the patient in a side-lying position. It could also be a case of doing lower hygiene, for instance, and in that case I would like to have the patient closer to me, and also I need to move the bars at the side. In that case, I just slacken the sheet sufficiently. I lower the bars, and then I activate the buttons as well again, and I can pull the patient out to the side now, and I have the patient close to the side, and the tray with the utilities I need for doing the hygiene procedures, having them close by me, it's easy to handle. Afterwards, when I have done my procedure, I can easily pull the patient back into the bed, and I now, by the blue button here, can activate it, and I pull the patient back into the bed and over to the side. I keep my hand on the patient just for a comfort reason, so that it's more comfortable for the patient. I slacken the sheet. I assist my patient in lying in a more comfortable position. I will lower the sheets. And I have now positioned my patient back into the position. Before I leave the patient, I will activate the stop button again, so I will take the power away from the VENDLET system. The VENDLET system is also a system that is approved to be a bed rail. If it is estimated that this patient should work with the bed rail, what I need to do is I need to lift the rollers, put them in place. I then have these plastic sides. I start at the footboard, putting the plate towards the footboard and pushing it down in a diagonal way, taking it to the headboard as well, doing the same, to the headboard, down and down. Having done that, I need to lift it up on the left side as well, taking the footboard first, putting it on, taking it by the headboard, up towards the headboard and putting it on. And finally, before I leave the patient, I need to place these security strips on each side by the hinges. Having done that, the VENDLET system HC2 now works as a bed rail. But remember, it is only used when you estimate that the patient needs a bed rail. If the patient doesn't need a bed rail, you have to lower the bars before you leave the patient. We also have another video showing the operation of the model V4, which is a fully automated version of the electric turn sheet VENDLET. For more information about VENDLET, you are welcome to visit our website, 3xw vendlet.dk. vendlet.dk or .com, and you'll find more information, or you're welcome to contact us on the telephone +45 for Denmark, 96 31 00 50. You're welcome.